Another junkyard day. There's a bunch of parts I need to get, so I figured I'd take you guys with me. Beautiful. Look at these cool little carts they made. Dang, even this thing is 5 lug. First stop, BMW wheels. This is like the beefiest cart known to man. Ooh, is this a J30? These came with a VG, which is the same as a 300ZX. And you can also use these diffs on S chassis. And it's still there. Although it's not what I need today, but it's good to know that's there. Well, unfortunately, those wheels that I was coming to get are gone. So we're gonna head to the next thing, which is G35. And here it is. So I posted this car in my last video, and someone said to come grab this lip because it's a Nismo lip, but it's cracked. Well, at least these side skirts are in good condition, so maybe I'll just grab those. All right, we got this side off. Now let's get the other side off. Oh, nice. It's already off. That's probably important. Well, most of it came off, except it left a little square on here. As thin as it is, I don't think this is an original lip. And there's also previous bodywork repair done, so I'm gonna call that aftermarket, and we're gonna pass on it. But we are gonna grab these skirts because these are super nice. Well, we came for 4 wheels and a rear lip, and now we're leaving with 2 skirts. Got this massive cart for just 2 skirts. Oh snap, that thing looks so beat up. Oh my gosh, done for. That's toast. The first stop was a success. All right, now on to the next yard. Hopefully we can find some parts for your car now. It'd be cool to test fit these on this thing. It would need a lot of work, but that would look sick. There we go. Yard number 2. Hopefully we can score some good deals here as well. This yard is super cool because there's also cars in that building. Ooh, flaky paint job. All right, here it is. Hello? Hello? Oh, you guys already found it.
Yeah.
What's left?
Cruise control actuator.
Just cruise control?
Got auto.
Oh, you weren't lying.
Yeah.
Nice car. Beach. An old Alfa Romero.
No, it's a different.
It's pretty cool. The fog lights are like in the lip. Rest in peace, Ron. I bet someone ran a red light. It took the whole door skin off of this one. Oh my gosh. This purple looks so cool though. What is this? Man, this thing looks sick. This thing has been sitting for a minute. Wow, I would love one of these. This would be so cool to road trip in or something too. You put like your mini bikes in there. RSX.
Damn, they took the wheel. The alphabet on the EK. That's also what I'm looking for too.
Trunk's
Different
good.
steering wheel.
It's manual, or was.
You want that?
Yo, that's pretty cool.
That's pretty mint still.
Hey, pop the hood. DC5. Get swifty. It's InGen.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is.
It's a washer pump. Look.
What? I've never seen an aftermarket performance washer pump. It's actually really cool. Well, well, well. An empty K-tune box. Grab this wing off of this Beamer. There we go. Tell me why that doesn't look bad. Oh, what do we got here? An Eclipse. Looks like it had some cool vinyl on it. Man, this thing went through a whole bunch of stages. It was Toyota Supra Orange, Paul Walker, Eclipse Green. Definitely had a GT wing at some point. Manual. 10 interior though. Can't do 10. Mm-mm. Still has the trans. Full swap. Manual. Look at this fender. It's just flattened. What car was that off of? Oh my gosh, what was this thing? Dude, what was this car?
Something with a steel beam at though.
It's like a Volkswagen. Plymouth. It's all red. Even the interior. Red on red on red. Plymouth something. I've never seen one of these in a junkyard before. I heard that these are just like Chevy S10s. I don't know what I'm looking at though. I don't know much about American cars.
I got your package.
Special delivery, and it's a smashed bumper. Wow, this was a truck. I wonder if the rust just like flipped the cab off. Should we push this boat into the river? Oh man.
That's what they
Holy shit. Not gonna lie, that was kind of scary. Run! Not a bad haul. There was only one Civic there and it was auto, but the guy let Seth take these for free. RSX Type R.
And it says Honda on the back, so I think they're real.
OEM, baby. Not bad. Alright, where to next? Well, I guess we're going to another junkyard. Don't forget to drop a like if you're enjoying this video. It helps the channel a lot, honestly. Alright, third yard. Hopefully we find some luck here. Sick. Ho ho ho! Batman! Another beautiful yard. This is actually the yard I pulled my V20 out of for my Integra sedan. Wheelbarrow acquired. We're looking for row 64. Apparently there's a manual Civic in that aisle, which is exactly what we're looking for. Uh-oh. Here's the bumper for it. Dang.
God.
They took the trans. Hey. Oh, with the middle finger. I want this sticker. Oh, it's not gonna come off nicely. Oh well. Yo, purple drums. Oh, and we had the straight pipe on this thing. You know this thing sounded good. This is literally an intake for your car. As sloppy as it is, that's for your D series. Just laying on the ground.
Should I take it?
Yeah, why not?
Free intake.
All right. Oh, this one's cooked.
That thing's cooked, but this one's looking happy.
Oh, it has a lip on it still?
No.
What?
The trans is there.
Yes.
Let's go.
All right, we found the winner. This guy also got T-boned. Jeez, what is up with all these cars getting T-boned?
Where's the shift?
Maybe someone took the linkage already. It's got a DC fart can.
Is there upper control arm?
Stocks. And the springs look like Skunk 2 lowering springs. Why is this on backwards? What the heck? I bet this came off of this car.
Dude, probably.
I 100% bet. See?
Dude.
This car has everything your car needs. Well, unfortunately the yard is closing, so we have to come back and grab the rest of the mounts, but at least we got a decent amount for today.